Have you ever wondered how digital marketing works? How does it connect the right products and services with the right people at the right time? Today, we are going to unravel the magic behind digital marketing. Digital marketing at its core is about reaching people online. Now, how does that happen? There are several key components that make this possible. First, we have search engine optimization, or more commonly known as SEO. SEO is about making your online content visible to search engines like Google. It's about strategically using keywords and phrases in your content. So when people search for those words, your website or blog post will appear in the search results. Next, we have content marketing. This is where you create and share valuable, relevant content to attract and engage your target audience. It could be anything from blog posts, videos, infographics, to podcasts. The goal is to provide value to your audience, build trust, and ultimately turn them into customers. Then, we move to social media marketing. This involves promoting your products or services on social media platforms. It's about creating engaging content, interacting with your followers, and building an online community around your brand. Another crucial component is email marketing. It is one of the most effective ways to reach and engage your audience. It's about sending personalized emails to your subscribers, offering them valuable content, special deals, or updates about your products or services. We also have pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. This is where you pay a fee each time one of your ads is clicked. It's a way of buying visits to your site rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. Lastly, there's affiliate marketing. It's a performance-based marketing where you promote someone else's products or services and earn a commission each time a sale is made through your referral link. So, to recap, digital marketing involves SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, PPC advertising, and affiliate marketing. Each of these components works together to create an effective digital marketing strategy. But remember, the key to successful digital marketing is not just about using these strategies. It's also about understanding your audience, knowing what they want, and delivering it to them at the right time and in the right way. So there you have it. The magic of digital marketing unraveled. It's a world that combines creativity, strategy, and technology to connect with people and turn them into customers. And now, you have the keys to unlock that world.